Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you a few template ideas that you can sell on Etsy. Everyone seems to think selling templates is saturated, but you just have to find the right niche. The templates I'll show you in this video are all high demand with low competition. Try them out and see how you go. So first up, we have Excel tracker templates. Now for this niche, I've noticed anything gamified or anything dynamic such as this one do quite well. So as you can see, as I fill in the cells, the trees are growing, other charts are expanding. So I'm going to show you the results of that one, this one as well, and this one. So we'll click into the video for this. As you can see, that chart moves. Analyze listing. Listed 6 months ago, already over 1,000 sales and about 200 sales per month. If you go into their store, they've only got around 22 listings, and the shop was created about 1 to 2 years ago. Next is this one. So as I fill in cells, trees grow, which is kind of fun. So you basically plant a tree. So plant a tree when you complete 70% of your tasks. So it encourages people to fill in their task and basically complete their to-do list. Analyze listing here. Listed 9 months ago, 800 plus sales. I've also analyzed this on eRank. So we click into this one. Listed about 200 days ago, 52 sales. Not as good. It's a different tree version. But we'll go highest view count. There's another tree one. Listed 293 days ago, 700 plus sales. Third one is quite similar. So this one, you don't grow trees, but you grow flowers. So you grow a sunflower each day, you complete over 70% of your habits. Also encourages people to fill out their goals and reach their goals and fill out their to-do list. 6 months ago, 200 plus sales, pretty good. Only 21 listings, and they're all quite similar, gamified type templates. If we go back to Everbee, search for Excel tracker templates, sort by monthly sales, you see some of these ones do quite well too. So just simple monthly budget spreadsheets listed 12 months ago over 5,000 sales. This is another, just a bookkeeping spreadsheet by the same shop as before. Listed a month ago, already 300 plus sales. Now, if we search this shop in eRank and sort by view count, these are their top listings. So we got a monthly budget spreadsheet, 200 sales, 5,000, 200 days ago, 5,000 sales. That's the Excel tracker spreadsheet with the sunflowers. 155 days ago, over 1,000 sales, just monthly budget spreadsheet for beginners. 70 days ago, 900 plus sales, a weight loss spreadsheet. So yeah, these are a few that you can consider making. That's really cheap actually. But yeah, once you create your spreadsheet, it's just recurring profit minus the Etsy fees. Also, I just want to point out that the sales figure here, 437 is just an estimate. That's why it's different to eRank's estimate of 900 plus sales. But you can basically gauge and get an idea that they've definitely made over a few hundred sales in the last 2 months. Next, we have Canva product labels. So these sellers have basically just created minimalist labels that look elegant and cute on products such as conditioner, soap, body butter, etc. The customers download the template and they're able to edit the colors and contact info to suit their brand and business. So if we open one of these up, you'll see this one's a pack. You can edit names, text, colors, and more. This one's just one style. So same sort of thing. What you'll notice here is when we go to product analysis, there's one store basically dominating this niche, DB Creative Studios. The other ones, and basically this one as well, they're all listed within 12 months, which is good. They all have over 10 sales per month. If we go into this shop, they have 75 listings, Shop was created about a year ago. And if we go to eRank, search for their most viewed products, most of these are actually bulk packs. So a pack of 25 labels to suit different products here, skincare products and things like that. Listed 178 days ago, over 300 sales, but 10 grand in revenue. And that's because these packs are $13 each, which is good. Another one, 118 days ago, 200 plus sales, 5 grand revenue. 169 days ago, 100 plus sales, 4,000 revenue. That one's literally just a different color. Wow, okay, that's good. That's a different type of design there. 161 days ago, 200 sales. That's more of a single product based label here. That's why it's cheaper. And yeah. Now this product is one that I'm really excited about. Airbnb welcome books or welcome templates. It does require a little more effort to create because you'll need to make around 10 to 20 pages, or you can just hire someone on Fiverr to do it for you. As a matter of fact, anything Airbnb related is doing great. So we'll go here. You'll see Airbnb bundles, Airbnb welcome signs, Airbnb booking calendars, and they're all listed between, or I added a filter, under 12 months. But what we're focusing on is Airbnb welcome books. Product analysis, monthly sales. You'll see these guys, that's only listed 4 months ago, already 121 sales per month. 3 months ago, there's some that are quite old, but there is new ones that are doing great. Sarah Collective, that's one. So I'm going to open a few of these shops up and show you. Sarah Collective, go to eRank, search for the top viewed Airbnb listings. Listed 109 days ago, already over 400 sales and $17,000 in revenue. That's because these are quite expensive. They're not really expensive, but for digital products, they're up there, $15. All good reviews. And yeah, it's just a welcome book with categories such as home guides, delivery options, about the area, a nice listing. Yeah, 500 plus sales. So monthly, you're expecting $3,000 plus just in this listing. Another great competitor is this one. Well, not great, but they're making great sales. Pixel Soda Creative. Analyze a listing 4 months ago, $2,000 plus per month revenue. Now, if you analyze their listings as well, they got different color themes as well. 126 days ago, 400 plus sales, $10,000 in revenue. That's the same listing, so it's just basically, it's a cute little welcome book. So I've actually tried to create a few of these myself. Well, not a few, but I've started my own one. It looks kind of modern. I might change it up, but yeah, they can change text here, change thank you, delete that if you don't want it, change the photo. So your customer can basically do whatever they want. Then they download the book, print it at whatever shop you want to. You can print it online. And yeah, for their guests, they'll read this, get to know the area a bit. And yeah, to share it, just click share button, template link. You need a Canva premium account for that. But yeah, once the customer buys that, they send to a link like this. Just click use template and they're good to go. The final template idea I want to show you is social media marketing packs, but you have to get specific. So choose a platform such as Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, then choose your niche or industry such as health, skincare, and then make packs for those. So you'll see a few of these listings, 1,000. You don't need to make 1,000 when you're first starting out. Just create something small, like 100, 200. Do you consider that small? Just start with 50 to 100. So go to Canva, create those, and then create template links for people to edit and post it on their accounts, basically to grow them. So we'll go to product analysis, monthly sales. You see a few of these new sellers doing great. Ricotta templates, $765 a month revenue estimated. If we go into their store, into eRank, you can also find a few other ideas such as for categories such as minimal, boho, boohoo, however you say it, glamour, fashion, eucalyptus. First one, 119 days ago, 850 sales, $10,000 in revenue. But yeah, it's 1,000 Instagram templates, so you're not going to be creating that in your first go. If we search skincare Instagram, product analysis, monthly sales, look at all this. New sellers, all creating monthly sales. The trick is to find an industry or niche that's new and not, like, look at this, micro bolding, like what is that? Analyze listing, 38 sales listed. How many days ago? 20 days ago. Already 14 sales. What else have they got? Botox. Botox is a great industry to tackle actually. Because look at this. 68 days ago, 39 sales, already 1,000 plus revenue. 17 days ago, 500 revenue, $500 plus in revenue. And the packs aren't massive, like 142 templates. Might take you about a week to create, but that's it. Just recurring profit after you create your pack. So yeah, those are some ideas. Thanks for watching.